I'm Chef Christian.
I'm Chef Emma.
And I'm Chef Kelsey.
And you're watching the BuzzFeed.
So today we're going to be doing a sopapilla.
It's a Mexican dessert. It's different than your usual and it's really easy. So let's get started.
Okay, so for your ingredients, you need tortilla shells, salt,
And some Hershey chocolate that's messy, honey,
Cinnamon.
oil for your pan.
and some plain white sugar. Okay, so to get started, you take your tortilla and you just place it in there. And to
be
make
hot.
the tortilla like sweeter, just pour some sugar on it.
And when you lay your tortilla down in the oil, lay it not facing you, like away from you so the oil doesn't pop.
So much easier.
And when it bubbles up, poke a hole in it. You don't want to let it get too golden brown because it burns easily.
See, this is a perfect look. And then you just let all the oil drip off because it's too hot.
Too hot.
And then you just place it.
All right, we're gonna start with some honey. And it just depends on how much honey you like. Good. Next,
The cinnamon. Delish.
now we're gonna put some chocolate syrup on it.
Not in the lid.
And then you're gonna take a pinch of sugar.
Obviously,
Not
this
too
is a
much,
sweeter
though.
dessert, so you could add some ice cream or something on top. Just
Yep.
depends on what you
Let's
like.
take a taste. Take a spoon. All right, it's a little hot. You need a fork, really, but it'll still be good.
Yeah, delish.
Delish.
Yay. Tune in next for the next episode. We're gonna be making some guacamole. So this has been the BuzzFeed.
That was so hot.